But yeah, we're gonna do the best we can, right, Coop? Yes, we are. We're gonna do the best we can. Yeah. We're gonna go as far as we can for me, because it's very humid out here. I've got asthma too, so it kind of affects me a little bit, but we will push ourselves a little bit for Coopy. You coming, bud? Yeah, we'll push ourselves a little bit for Coopy. You gotta do that. You gotta do that for your animals sometimes. Sometimes you don't feel like getting out, and kind of feel a little bit shitty, but once you get out here with your dog or whatever animal you might have, it's quite nice. It's worth it. Like, look at that. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. This used to be flowers here, but someone let them grow in a little bit, but still, you can see a few flowers in there. It's not so bad. I hope I'm doing this video justice. I'm not very good with recording myself. I'm a bit shy in that regards, but anything for Coopy. Yeah, we'll do that for Coopy, because he's a special guy. Yeah, he really is. He's such a good dog. I've had plenty of dogs through my life, and he definitely stands out in that record. Yeah. Hey, Bubba. Hey. We haven't really come upon too many people here today, except for the flies.